Oh, you've just missed it, the print's just finished. Anyway, can I introduce you? It's the Ultimaker Pro Bundle. If you're gonna go for a machine that you want to do all your high engineering materials on, this is the one for you. It's cloud controlled. So what you're able to do is you're able to monitor your machine, control your users, all directly remotely from the cloud, and you're gonna get the most efficiency you can from any machine that's out there on the market. You've got a material station, meaning that you can put 6 different types of materials, or 6 of the same materials, or mix and match your materials in here, and this information feeds directly into Cura. So what you're going to be able to do, you're going to pick up on what material's in there and be able to select it. You don't have to be next to the machine, you can do it remotely, you can be sat at home, you'll be able to pick it up. What it's also got is the ability to use the most advanced materials that are in the marketplace at the minute. So whether it's your ABSs or your nylon filled, you're going to be able to also use glass filled, carbon filled, even 316 material you can print on this machine here. Yeah, believe it or not, yeah, you can. What we've got to be able to do that, we've got enhanced technology. We've got a award-winning interface here that we've got with the Ultimaker user interface. We've also got, you know, hardened wheels, so they're optimized for these materials. We've got hardened print cores, we've got air managers, so we're got a controlled environment here means that you can really heat up the printing chamber and monitor and maintain that temperature within that chamber. So you're not going to get the shrinkage that's inherent with open topped and open printers. So it really is the machine that you're going to want if you're going to be printing with these high-end grade materials.